Hey everybody. Hey, we're still beta testing iScan. And what I want to use is a regular dent mirror. So I'm going to pop into the Fender and tap on iScan photo. You can see I just used some regular dent mirror on this. I've got the marker. I just used some magnetic tape on the back of that marker. It's laminated. So I'm just going to position this so you can see how it works with taking an image with a regular dent mirror. I'm going to use that photo, and remember I have to identify what I'm assessing. So I'm going to outline my image, simple tapping onto the screen. And there's the dent count. Again, automatically goes into the system. You can add additional items like blue pole. If you want to RMI the headlamp, if you want to pull the liner out, you can certainly add that in there as well, inner liner, and then you can just have one done for your final estimate on that panel. And let's take a look at what the image looks like. There's the Fender image saved to the file.